Right. So, it's on your choice. Which one is your dominant? Meaning, kung saan kayo mas malakas. If you are stronger at the left, so it's okay. Right? Again, position to the what? Position to your patient's back. Alright? However, I am a guy, or a man, I am not allowed to make it like this. Like that. Okay, not good. Alright? So, you have to what? We will use this one. Sorry. And then we will do like this. Get it? Okay? But for girls, it's okay. Because you don't have. Alright? There will be no sensation at the back of the patient. Alright? Anyway, so that is true, right?
Yes.
Next, position. And then, check the ribs of your patient. So this is his, sorry, Faisal. I have to, this is his ribs. And this is his, what is below the, what? The ribs and above the navel. What is navel? Pusod in Filipino, right? So above the navel, not in the navel. Because, alright, okay. Next, above the navel. Then, that's it. Alright? But I cannot do it to Mr. Faisal because we will make him vomit. Get it? But I will try my best because yesterday we did it one time. Alright? So only one, but it's supposedly 5. Again, dapat 5. Pero isa lang kasi masusukas na. Alright? So again, so Faisal, good luck. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Like that. Okay? So it should be upward, like this. Not like that, you push. No. Okay, thank you.
Sir, saan ang first aid yan?
Heimlich maneuver.
Ano yun? Hindi namin naintindihan yun.
Heimlich
Medical term.
maneuver to avoid, so that will be the first aid for choking.
Okay. Kanina hindi ko naintindihan kasi medical term yun.
Yes.
Ayan, so yun yung techniques. Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes po, thank you din po.